I were to choose one procedure in my office that I love the most, it's perhaps the facial rebalancing procedure. And that involves using neurotoxins, dermal fillers, different laser technologies to really bring those youthful features back to one's face. To me, it's not about looking artificial or overdone, but just rebalancing, bringing that youthfulness back into your face by restoring areas of volume loss, by improving the quality and the texture and the integrity of the skin, by restoring elasticity and making it firm again. So that is actually what I absolutely love doing for my patients, and it's probably what I'm best known for. I absolutely enjoy that part of my work.